Let's start the program. Japanese Trader Radio Part.056. Today is April 20, 2026, Monday by Gift and Craft. 1. FX 11 Surveillance 111 Price Movement 1111 This week's bid price of the target currency pair Euro-Dollar from 1.167 to 1.180. Although the situation in Iran is causing turmoil, it seems that people are moving away from the US dollar. 1112 this week's bid price movement of all currency pairs. Dollar yen minus 60 pips minus 0.4%. Euro yen 0 pips 0%. Pound yen plus 10 pips 0%. Euro dollar plus 40 pips plus 0.3%. Pound dollar plus 60 pips plus 0.4%. Euro pound 0 pips 0%. 112 economic indicators. 1121 this week's economic indicators. 14th Tuesday 2130 the US PPI MOM. The actual is 0.5%. 16th Thursday 15 the UK GDP MOM. The actual is 0.5%. 1122 next week's economic indicators. 21st Tuesday 15 the UK unemployment rate. 22nd Wednesday 15 the UK inflation rate YOY. 23rd Thursday 1730 the UK S&P Global Manufacturing PMI Flash. 23rd Thursday 1730 the UK S&P Global Services PMI Flash. 24th Friday 15 the UK Retail Sales MOM. 113 this week's news and events that don't seem to be factored in. The situation in Iran. 114 next week's FX trading strategy and tactics. The euro and the pound are strong. The US dollar and the yen are weak. The euro and the pound are roughly equal, but I want to buy the pound, which is slightly weaker due to concerns about its strength. I believe the pound-yen pair will form a range around 214.00, the lowest point after the sharp decline, and around 215.60, where it consolidated near its highest point. I think it will form a double top or triple top near the highest point. On Monday or Tuesday night, based on the fundamentals of the situation in Iran, I will adopt a strategy of buying the pound. 1 to order. Number 15. Number 15. Verification. The dollar surges at the start of the week following the failure of ceasefire talks between the US and Iran, which led to a sell-off. Number 16. Number 16. New order. Euro-dollar buy with the US-Iran issue seemingly resolved. Expectations are beginning to rise for the dismissal of US President Trump. On the 1-hour chart, the price is showing a clear uptrend, having broken out of a box, hit the moving average, and then risen. New order 1.17983. Stop order 1.17500. Box lower wick. Limit order 1.20. Recent highs. I bought it without waiting for a dip. I believe that signs of buying the euro have appeared on a relatively long-term chart, making it highly likely that the euro will rise sharply. Number 16. Trail. Buy. Bright outlook for the situation in Iran. The price surged after bottoming out near the entry price. Stop order 1.18020 below the support line. Number 16. Verification. The market rose slightly due to bright outlooks on the situation in Iran But unlike last time, the gains were small and the optimistic ride didn't continue. 2 stock, 2-1 surveillance, 2-1 会社式法 surveillance, 6-4-5-7 glory. Given the decline in profits, I believe the stock price will be kept down. 6-6-1-4 Shikino High Tech. The company continues to operate at a loss, which is expected to worsen in the future. 6718 iPhone. I believe that a delivery system that makes unattended delivery easier could contribute to solving social problems and potentially increase operating profits. 6797 Nagoya Electric Works Company Limited. Because the end users are the national and local governments, the stock price remains strong despite a recent decline in profits. 212 Holding Brand Surveillance 4858 Power X from 7,120 to 6,700. Number 53. I plan to hold on to it until the end of 2026. There are concerns that the low poverty measures regarding margin trading will slow down trading activity among individual investors. 3. Others. 3-1. Don't limit myself. In Hiroshi Takata's book, he wrote that geniuses don't limit themselves. Paul Jimon's assertion that it's possible to multiply one's asset 100 times through FX trading is correct in the sense that he doesn't limit himself, and combined with his shamanistic experience, it adds depth and has garnered him a large following. I've regained the following I had when I first started trading about 10 years ago. I want to continue this. 3-2 Stock price volatility. The volatility is so high that I'm tempted to sell high and buy low. However, I'm not confident I can manipulate the market effectively because I can't time Trump's statements correctly. For now, I am focused on improving my lifestyle habits related to FX trading. As for stocks, I'll dedicate myself to mastering the study methodology of monitoring 会社式法. Thank you for listening. Bye!